Hey, what's up, Kishu holder? So the last day of this month, absolutely very important video for all of you, my brother. The price is fails down, the change occurring will be decreasing, and exactly, my friend, very critical situation. So really, can my friend Kishu will give you a profit if you want to, my friends, take a profit. So watch this video, very important. Let's predicate this coin. Let's share opinion, my brother. But kindly, please, before I get started, video subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my friend, this time the change occur in the price is 3.66%, 76% the price is fails down. So it means the price is decreasing. What's the main reason and what we do, my friend, in the current condition? Absolutely very critical now, my brother. So the main reason I already tell you, my brothers, especially in those days, every cryptocurrency will move upward now. But when a short-term investor they're starting selling, so the coin is completely fails down. So it jumps down because short-term investors starting selling. Absolutely, when short-term investors see the good jump, so they will starting selling. Market cap, you can see, my this time 0.00% fails down. It's mean others today are in the equal. They cannot hit the resistance line. Sometimes fails down and sometimes move upward, but especially for a short time. So fully diluted market cap, you can see a 3% fails down, and volume last 24 hours 3.21% fails down. Absolutely, my friend, the coin is in the profit, but there is, my friend, a lot of chances that they will move upward more and more in upcoming time. But we need, my friends, just in only to hold it now. So if you hold, so I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming time. In July I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, to in July they will give you a very good profit now. So while you are waiting, please hold it. And if you hold, my friend, for a short time, so I think you will be doing very good now. I hope they will give you a very good profit now. So invest for a short time. I hope that they will give you a very good profit now. Thanks for watching, Kishu holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.